Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different angles worksheets. So this video presents three worksheets and it's in the area of geometry and we're looking at different types of angles. So if you're not sure what's going on here, right at the end of this video on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain all these examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for 1 minute before I move on to the next slide, but as always, you can pause the slide for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. I'll also leave this slide on for 1 minute, but as always, you pause this slide for as long as you like. And here is the last slide, and I'll also leave that on for 1 minute. I hope you found these exercises interesting, and I'll now move on to the last slide where you can use the link if you need it.